One of the most important beats that life has associated with human, but it hid it for a long time, is the rhythm. Imagine a big stone falling. The sound will scare you. The sound of a waterfall is different from the sound of rain falling on the ground or the sound of sea waves. Imagine the sound caused by tree branches colliding with each other or falling to the ground. Between high and low beats and this chaos, man lived for a long time. Suddenly, a person put his hand on his chest and felt his heartbeat. So he detected the inner rhythm and the pulse of life. He also discovered that all these rhythms are not chaos and that he cannot live outside the rhythm. Rhythm controls our life and we cannot go out of rhythm. We have no certainty when rhythm began to be used in music. But music cannot be out of rhythm. When we dance on rhythm, outer rhythm or inner rhythm. If I'm going to dance in inner rhythm, I think not everyone can understand me. But with outer rhythm, most of you will understand me. For this reason, we are dancing with outer rhythm, as I'm always saying. The outer rhythm can be either only a rhythm or rhythm with music or the complete music. Body can control rhythm very well. If I understand exactly how can I move in the correct line, because rhythm is the lines what we will use through our dancing. Sometimes rhythms can be higher or lower. I mean the beats also, if the beats faster or slower. For this reason, I have to understand correctly which type of rhythm I'm hearing and how my body can control this rhythm. Normally, when I say control, that means exactly I translate what I feel, because dancing is feeling. And with this feeling, I can explain everything I want to say, but through my body. Hands are very important. Hands looks like brackets I'm dancing inside. And of course, I have to understand exactly in which part of my body I'm going to use with my hands. Because sometimes I can do some movements with my hands which far from the main meaning, which exactly can let the one in front of me cannot understand what I am doing exactly. For this reason, I'm always say that hands looks like brackets and I'm dancing inside. So I have to understand exactly the positions of my hands. My waist, my chest and waist control the most important parts of my body, control the movements exactly, and can complete the story what I'm talking about. My legs can take me everywhere around to write the vocabulary what I want to say through my body or using my body. These parts are very important in kinetic performance when I'm going to dance on the stage, either with rhythm or with the music. The music, as I said, it is a type of rhythm. My face is very important, which can explain exactly the feeling, or let me say the inner feeling. For this reason, I have to use my face right well when I am dancing and when I am using all these parts with my body. For example, if I am sad, immediately you will see my face very sad. Or if I am happy, immediately you will catch the point and you will understand that I'm happy. If I laugh, my body, my face, everything laugh with me, or this is what I let you feel exactly when I am doing this way or this gesture in front of you. So for this reason, I have to be careful when I'm going to use my face. But sometimes some dancers forget completely the dimension of the stage, even the audience sitting in front of them. For example, if I am using my face to explain my feeling, I have to make it very clear and using all my face, not only part of my face. For example, the eyes and the eyebrows cannot be clear if someone sitting in front of me but very far. The people who are close to me, near to me, they will understand immediately if I play with my eyebrows or my eyes. They will catch it immediately. But the far person will not. So for this reason, I use this part of my body very little, but I use complete my body with my face, look at this side or the other side, or changing my position. All people will understand me, or audience sitting in front of me will understand me immediately. This point exactly, we call it the integration of the complete, or let me say the integration of kinetic performance. So all the audience now or immediately while focusing onto my body. In this video, the wonderful dancer, she dancing with rhythm, and of course she did some wrong points, but it's okay for me. But for you, as I explained to you, immediately you will understand what I am talking about. She performed very well. I love her very much, and of course I like to share her dancing with you. And of course, I will be waiting for your comments and your questions if you have any questions. Let us go now and watch her dancing with live band.